Hello. I hope you all survived the first day, and maybe some of you are watching this over the weekend and you survived the first week. But last night, Madison and I were packing her items out of her room to bring to college, and it was a yes or no. So yes or no, do you want this or not? And this is a lovely embellished peace symbol mirror. And of course, you can assume what an 18-year-old would say. It was a definite no. So I was like, oh, I'll throw that in my purse and, maybe check my look every once in a while. However, today we're going to talk about how we can use this as a simple document camera for either your students at home or you. So check this out. Up here I have a ring light. The only reason I bought that was because it advertised that it would make your appearance look better in zooms, so I'm sure it did. I'm going to move that little puppy over. I'm going to just take a little piece of this strapping tape I found actually over next to my office, and I'm just going to take this and tape it to the back of my computer, and I'm going to put this mirror right over the top of the camera that's recording me right now. So hold on. This is a hack. And I'm lowering down the mirror so now it shows my screen. And so, for example, you really want to see your students work at home. Whoa. You actually have their own little document camera. So there you go, a little quick hack for a simple solution to a document camera if you're ever in a pinch, or if you are asking your students to do that. I'm sure quite a few of them may have these little funky mirrors at home. So if you'd like to try mine out, I know Jeff Lallam is first in line, so you can sign up after him. Thanks for watching, and hope you had a great day.